we are asked to evaluate the limit as x goes to 0 plus of the function sine of x to the power 7x cube.
Let us determine the limit as x goes to 0 plus of the function sine of x to the power 7x cube. First, we notice that the limit as x goes to 0 plus of 7x cube is 0. Moreover, the limit as x goes to 0 plus of sine of x is 0. Consequently, we have an indeterminate form of the type 0 to the power 0. In order to resolve this indeterminate form, we define the function y as follows. We set y equal to sine of x to the power 7x cube. We will study the limit of logarithm of y. Actually, the logarithm of y is equal to 7x cubed times logarithm of sine of x. The limit as x goes to 0 plus of the logarithm of y is equal to the limit as x goes to 0 plus of 7x cubed times logarithm of sine of x, which equal to 0 times negative infinity. This is still an indeterminate form. We will use the L'Hospital rule to solve this issue. This is due to the fact that the limit as x goes to 0 of logarithm of x is negative infinity. See that, in order to apply L'Hospital rule, we first have to rewrite logarithm of y as a quotient. And then, take the limit as x goes to 0 plus of the derivative of numerator as well as the derivative of the denominator. The derivative of the numerator logarithm of sine of x is the fraction cosine of x over sine of x, and the derivative of the denominator 1 over 7x cube is, minus 3 over 7 over x to the power 4. We simplify the numerator of logarithm of y as x to the power 4 times cosine of x and the denominator as, minus 3 over 7 times sine of x, and take their limit as x goes to 0 plus. We see that both limits are still 0. Therefore, we still have to repeat the process one more time. The derivative of x to the power 4 times cosine of x is, minus 1x to the power 4 times sine of x plus, 4x cubed times cosine of x, and the derivative of, minus 3 over 7 times sine of x is, minus 3 over 7 times cosine of x. When we take the limit as x goes to 0 plus of, minus 1x to the power 4 times sine of x plus, 4x cubed times cosine of x, the result is 0. And the limit as x goes to 0 plus of, minus 3 over 7 times cosine of x is, minus 3 over 7. In sum, the limit as x goes to 0 plus of logarithm of y is 0. Finally, the limit as x goes to 0 plus of sine of x to the power 7x cube is equal to the limit as x goes to 0 plus of exponential of logarithm of y, which is equal to 1.
Thank you for viewing this video. Please subscribe to our channel. We have an extensive collection of calculus-related videos covering limits, derivatives, integration, and many other calculus topics.